Hey guys, we're doing the team draw for 5 bucks mix break. Random is live. It's my first break of the decade. Interesting. Going 5 times for participants. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Yoink. So that one. That. Make that one teams. 9 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Random is complete, and the teams are Chris Stewart, Grizz, Andrew Hunt, Hawks, Javasi, Celtics, Adam Carter, Raptors, Diz, Kings, Van Houten, Pacers, John Deacon, Pelicans, Stephen Hughes, Nuggets, Stretch Armstrong, Lakers, Jake Harvey, Suns, Marcus Allott, Nets, Jake Smythe, Thunder, Van Houten, Wolves, Nick Powell, Jazz, Neb with the Bulls, Sean Hutchinson with the Sixers, Deegan with the Blazers, Carter with Cavs, Johnny Deegan the Bucks, Tim with the Magic, Garth Manning Mavericks, Charles with the Warriors, Tahi with the Wiz, Simon with the Clippers, Johnny with the Pistons, Thomas with the Knicks, Nick Powell with the Spurs, Johnny Deegan Hornets, Jeffrey Elliott Heat, and Simon Barr Rockets. So that famous there. Yoink. And that's it.